External users can be invited to join an organization's HR Selector account by an account administrator. Examples of an external user might be a human resources or recruitment consultant. When an external user has been assigned to an account, they will receive an email invitation from an administrator that contains registration instructions. The external user will need to click on the invitation's link. The link will take them to a registration form. Enter the key code that should have been provided separately by the account administrator. Confirm accept if the terms and conditions and privacy policy are acceptable. Click on Save. OK. A confirmation email will be sent to the external user. The external user will need to take note of the displayed validation code. When the email arrives, click on the link. Enter a valid password and the validation code. Click Save. OK. To log in, click on the Recruiter's portal. Enter email address. Password. Click Login. A welcome will be displayed. Click on Getting Started. This will contain instructions requesting the user to complete the outstanding Your Profile tasks. Click on the Your Profile tab. Edit. Confirm and complete the profile information. Click Save. OK. Click on Upload your photo. Click on Browse icon. Select and double-click on the photo. When the photo has been uploaded, resize and save. Select All Done. Click Switch Off to hide the Getting Started menu. OK. In this case, the external user can see from the dashboard that they have been added to the campaign's recruitment team.